Hello guys, good day. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get a free course on Udemy, totally free. You heard me right, totally free. But yeah, let's just dive into the video and I'll tell you the terms and cons of what I'm going to show you right now. So before that, let's dive into our plan. Okay, alright. So here we are into our browser. I'm going to be showing you guys two sites I can get these courses for free. So first I'm going to be showing you what coupon scorpion. In this site you can get free Udemy courses. But yeah, here we are. So these are available courses and they are dropped nearly every minute. In this coupon scorpion you can actually get free 100%, as you can see right up here, 100% free courses. This JavaScript game development. You can create games for free. It's a Udemy course, free Udemy course, and it's 100% free. This is a paid course actually, 100% free. Okay, you have to read this JavaScript game development. Create zombie old game. You can actually create anything with this JavaScript game development. All you need is basic JavaScript knowledge, and what you will learn is JavaScript, Pixie.js, and game development. So description: if you want to practice your JavaScript, if you want to learn some new ES6 stuff, if you want to create a cool zombie shooting game, then this course is for you. You will get experience using JavaScript, ES6, classes, arrays, objects, and so on. You can just read the description. So now you get the coupon. Just clicking on this link. Let's open the tab. Okay, so here we are. This is Udemy. Now, as you can see, I'm a Nigerian, so approximating this 12,000 naira is actually up to like let's approximate it. Let's get the real 12,200 to dollar. As you can see, this is 26,018 cents, and you can get this free of charge. Just click on the enroll. If you haven't created an account, you just have to let me quickly log into my account. Quickly log in. You can actually create or log in. The funniest part is that once you don't grab this offer on time, the coupon expires. Sure, you get coupon expires. Once you don't grab it. Alright. So you can actually get tons of Udemy courses right here. You can actually get tons of Udemy. See, the total is 0 naira. As you can see, just enroll and boom, you are in. Successfully completed transaction. Success. Great choice, Daniel. Here we go. You can start your course anytime, any day. It doesn't actually doesn't give you time for you to learn it. You can learn it anytime, any day. The coupon doesn't expire. Once you in, you are in. Once you are in, you are in. These are the course layout, introduction, getting started. Please right away. As you can see, getting started, refactor and holding. This is a great opportunity to everyone out there. So going back to this, you can gather them, can actually PHP. If you're a developer like I do, you're a developer like I am, PHP MySQL 2023 completor. I think I'm grabbing this course. No. I'm grabbing this course. Grabbing this course should be 100% free. Like I said, it's 100% free. Grabbing it. So that is checkout, and boom, you're in. So now the second side I'm going to be showing you now is Course Arena. Is it Course Arena? Yeah, Course Arena. No, it's not Course Arena. Course Vania. Sorry, it's Course Vania. Yeah, Course Vania. And this is actually the first distributing site I actually learned of. So this has great category, and their website is responsive that you can actually get stuff free. This is front-end web development for beginners. Just click on it. I'll be dropping the link of this site into the description of this video. So get on you. See, this is a 10 hours on-demand video, 18 articles, full lifetime access. As you can see, full lifetime access doesn't require you to create or pay any sort of downtime or any sort of fee, and you get your certification of complete. Everything free of charge. Say no to paying course on Udemy. With this tutorial, just get a course and boom, you are in. Doesn't require you to create any stuff. Just enroll, check out, and you are in. Redirecting into your course, and here we are with the course. Everything, my learning. You can actually get your courses on my learning, and you see the list of courses you've grabbed. These are a list of courses I've grabbed on this platform, and they are 100% free. See, as you can see down here, 52 courses. I've grabbed 52 courses right here, and this is not playing. I'm not playing with this. You guys check out this website, and you can actually get free courses here on Udemy. You can actually get free courses. These are courses that are actually very, 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 very good. If you find this video useful, or you learned new thing, or it actually save you some cash, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share.